Hey guys, it's AlphaCube and today I'm going to be unboxing the Weilong WRM. I didn't really have a current 3x3 main, so this will definitely become my main. But yeah, I also got sent some like ring magnets for magnetizing a clock from Daniel. So let's get into the cube. If I can get this packaging open. So it comes nicely displayed with all the different things. Got a card with people on. Team Moyu. I feel bad I do not recognise who that is. I feel like I should. So this is the cube. It comes in a nice stand. And then there's also got the accessories and the pamphlet thing. This is all like, this seems to be extra screws, another core, extra magnets, and then the tensioning tools. And then I'm not sure what this is. This looks like it could be more stuff. I don't really know. Even more packaging, because you know there's not enough already, you know, it being in 2 boxes and an extra bit of plastic and another bit of, and like an actual parcel. First turns. So it feels very dry. I don't think it's got really any lube in it at all. It's very loose as well. Loose and fast. Kind of a bit blocky at the moment too though. Cut line to line, reverse, and over 45 just about. The shades are very nice, I have to say. I'll do a quick solve. So far it seems to be turning quite well. I'm definitely going to have to tighten it or make it a bit more stable because it's a bit out of control. But just feels very nice at the moment in terms of speed. It's very uncontrollable at the moment, but I'm sure that'll be solved with fixing. Altogether, it's quite a nice cube. Once I've set it up, I'm sure it'll be very nice. personally, it's a bit too fast and unstable out of the box, but obviously that can be fixed easily with all the customizability options and stuff. I'm going to be doing a proper review sometime, like a full review sometime next week. This is just kind of my first impressions. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah.